What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Living in Arizona, and today we're going to talk about Oro Valley. So, as I've come to realize, many people who are moving to Arizona who've done some proper research are really drawn and attracted to Oro Valley. Now, Oro Valley, as you can see in this screen share here, is very beautiful. So, that's why we're going to talk about Oro Valley, do the rundown, look at cost of living. We're going to also look at some of the other places around Arizona that are sought after. But what is it about Oro Valley that really draws people from far and wide to come to Arizona and say, I want to live in Oro Valley, which is just north of Tucson? So we're going to dial all of this in this video. And if you are new to this channel and you want to keep up with us on our group, our community group, you can see here it is, Living in Arizona. This is a little video that I posted earlier.
Devil looks like. Let's see what we got there.
Of a dust devil. Look at it, you can see the dust devil.
It's kind of like a twister.
So that, I caught the tail end of that. It was pretty big, but it started to really slow down. But, I posted that. May was the coldest it's been in Arizona in the last 48 years. So you could see 87.8 was the average. The coldest ever was 1953, 85. So, numbers do vary over time. And there's other people posting plenty of other stuff in here, asking questions about watercraft from Willa. She says, any suggestions of where to live near a lake, 15 miles or so, that allows personal watercraft. So you can see lots of different stuff going on in here. Feel free to join. Link below in the comments. Living in Arizona is the group. Also, you can keep up with us on Instagram, Live in Arizona. So that's in the citation below. But let's go ahead and talk about Oro Valley, since that's what this is all about here. So 10 best places to live in Arizona for 2019. I would say this Home Snacks is pretty accurate. Number 1 being Paradise Valley. Number 2 being Scottsdale. Number 3 being Gilbert. Number 4 being Oro Valley. So why is it that so many people are seeing this list and, seeing that for the most part people consider Paradise Valley better than all the other places, but why does Oro Valley keep getting all of the new people's attention? And because it's the cost of living. It's more affordable. I mean, Gilbert and Oro Valley are probably similar, but one thing that Oro Valley has that Gilbert doesn't have is the beautiful mountains. So Oro Valley has the mountains. I haven't been to Oro Valley for a while now, and actually there is a place near Oro Valley like the Biosphere. It is north of Tucson. If you guys have ever heard of Biosphere, remember that movie Biodome with Pauly Shore? And I want to say, I don't even remember, Alex Baldwin, I think? I don't remember his name. But here it is, Oro Valley, incorporated in 1974. So it's a pretty new city. I mean, it's not that old. Located 6 miles north of Tucson in the Pima County, according to 2010 census. 2010's population was 41,000. An increase from 29,000 in 2000. So it's even beyond that. It keeps getting more and more people moving there. And it's really it's kind of a retirement community, in my opinion, where a lot of people who are into golf like to go there. And it's really a golf hub. They build beautiful golf courses out there. And so, formed by citizens of Oro Valley, the not-for-profit Oro Valley Historical Society has a mission in preserving the town's heritage for future generations. They talk about the founding here on Wikipedia. You can go through all this. Now, if we just go to their website, you can see this is Oro Valley. They've got information you can check out at orovalley.gov. So if you wanted to get more information from them. And then you have this website here, which is Visit Tucson, where they highlight Oro Valley. And they kind of give you a little bit of insight. I'll just show you the teaser real quick. Beautiful. I mean, if you wanted to watch this video in detail, I mean, look how beautiful that looks, right?
Life takes us.
So you'll go on to visittucson.org/Oro Valley if you wanted those details. So to get an idea of what home prices look like in Oro Valley, you can check out Zillow here. And you can see a 1,900 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath for $270,000. That's with a pool. If you were to move to, say, Gilbert, this same home will be a $320,000 home. So you could see you're saving money. and you're getting views that you won't get in Gilbert. I mean, you get the Santan Mountains out there, but that's about it. So pretty nice houses, and you might not have to deal with as many HOAs. They probably still have HOAs, but that's what you really want to know, right? A lot of you guys are always asking about HOAs. What's this deal with homeowners associations? And this one right here, HOA fees, no. Whereas in most places in Phoenix, you're going to get an HOA. So you can see that there is a massive upside. It's not just beautiful, but you get these nice houses that are a little bit more affordable, and you don't have to deal with HOAs in some cases. Obviously, some places will have that. Now, here's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This is a home that you would see in Scottsdale going for $500,000. It's going for $400,000. Look at the views again. So this is a year built, 1994, forced air. Let's see if they have an HOA. And new construction, roof title. Where would the $7 a month? Wow, mine's about $75 a month. And if you don't pay it on time, they like to charge $15 late fee for being late. And they don't have an auto pay thing either, because that's why I keep being late, because they don't have auto billing. I'm like, sorry, I like to do auto billing. If you don't even have that convenience, it's almost like they want to get you for the $15. So $7 a month, that's pretty reasonable HOA fee for a beautiful house like that. So overall, you're going to get beautiful homes. I mean, you can go through here all over the place. The prices are going to vary. $300,000 for 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. I mean, we could look at all these. Look at this beauty. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. This in North Phoenix costs probably around $450,000. A home like this. How in the heck is that house worth, or at the price that it's at? I mean, granted, the yard is kind of small. Very lush. I like how lush it is. 2-story. I mean, you guys could see why people are being drawn to Oro Valley. It's beautiful. It's lush, high desert. Another place you're going to get like this is Santa Fe, New Mexico. I mean, a lot of people don't realize this, but New Mexico has beautiful deserts. Just New Mexico doesn't have anything else. The benefit of also being in a place like Oro Valley, let's go ahead and drill this down, is going to be your close proximity to Phoenix and Tucson at the same time. So you could see right here, I mean, you could see Tucson's right here, right? Well, zoom out a little bit, there's Phoenix. Here's Oro Valley. So you're about an hour and a half away, maybe depending on how fast you drive or what route you take, you're not too far away from Phoenix. I mean, you could just be an hour and a half away from Phoenix, and because you take the I-10 all the way up, so you're close to Tucson, you're close to Phoenix, and you're also living rural, and you're getting better prices. You could still use Sky Harbor if you need to. It's overall a pretty good situation that you would be getting in Oro Valley. Let's go ahead and take the little orange guy and go look around Oro Valley, right? So we'll go right on here to Lambert Lane. Show you what it looks like down here driving around. You've got these beautiful mountains, right? You can see it's pretty green. It's pretty lush. It's definitely a high desert. Let's go ahead and get on the right side of the road, right? And so you're just driving around here. And let's go in one of these communities if we can. Nope. Can't go in that one. Let's see if we can go in this one. Nope, Google doesn't go up that road. But look, you can see a Highlands community. Very lush, very nice. I grew up in high desert areas, and I know how nice they really are. And they're great. But you can see it's right up against the foothills right here of the Catalina Mountains, the opposite side. So, let's see where else we could put the little orange guy. It looks like we got a lot of options here. Let's go on the 77 and see what the main drag looks like. Still kind of real. It's rural, it's not like wall-to-wall construction. It's just nice. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in Oro Valley. Something to consider. Some of you guys are already considering it. Some of you are like, wow, I didn't know about Oro Valley. Let me go ahead and do some research. Maybe when you're coming out here to do some exploring, when you're in Phoenix, you go look at Gilbert, you go look at Paradise Valley, and you go look at Oro Valley, or any of the areas in northern Tucson. So you have 2 options. You have many options in Arizona. You got Prescott, you've got Sedona, you've got Oro Valley, you've got Gilbert. I will say that Oro Valley is it's more of a relaxing place. There's not going to be as much nightclub activity. If nightlife is for you, you're going to want to go towards Scottsdale and Paradise Valley. But if you like that seclusion, I mean, this is the kind of town that you'll live in Phoenix or in Tucson, in Arizona, where bobcats, mountain lions, and wildlife, deer, and all sorts of different javelinas and snakes will come into your backyard. You move to Oro Valley, you will see wildlife. If you are looking to live in a place where you're going to have wildlife, birds, not just snakes and all the scary things, but you want wildlife, you want rural living, go to Oro Valley. And so there you have it. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram, like I said, and subscribe to Living in Arizona. Keep up with us on here, and we'll see you guys. Watch some of these other videos on our homepage right here.